As you are getting revived, one of the things you must learn to do from now on, learn to turn and move on. When they lie about you, don't be taking time answering them. Just turn and move on. When they're plotting against you, don't be wasting time with them. You are chosen, you are anointed. Just turn and move on. When they don't like you and you don't know what you have done, don't be spending time answering them. Just turn and move on. When things don't go their way and they want to blame it on you, all you have to do, just and move on. When the devil tells you you're not going to make it, don't pay him attention. Just when everything seems like it's collapsing in front of you, all you have to do, shout, I am chosen, I am anointed.